I think it helps the batter to first of all see the data for himself, that where he is going wrong, what he is doing right, what he is doing wrong, and where he can improve his game, in terms of his batting technique, his power, his shot making ability. Not everyone needs to have the same force as probably Gale or Andre Russell to clear the boundaries. With just minor adjustments, you can bring into your game by watching the data, and you can improve upon. You don't need a brute force all the time. So by watching the data himself, you can tweak some technical aspects into your game, and then become a force to reckon with whatever strengths you have got. I think it helps a player to obviously look at his bat swing or his power of his bat swing. So you can give him the data, against any particular kind of bowler, that where his bat swing is coming from or how quickly his bat coming from. So you can analyze and then give him a specific benchmark to achieve, and then when the numbers are involved, it can become a bit of fun for him to achieve, because T20 is such a short format. You have very limited balls to play and you have to achieve those goals, so it can become a very competitive. I think the bat speed definitely comes into play, because how quickly your bat coming. The downswing is very important, because like I said, T20 format, when you're facing somebody who's bowling at 140 plus, you're hitting in the death overs. So that downswing and that ball where you connect, the connecting point is also very relevant, because you need that elevation against top quality bowlers at 140 plus speed. So the data you can drive is where you're hitting the ball, how's your downswing coming, how's the speed of the bat. So those are the very relevant points that you can take the data from. I think it's a great tool. First of all, for an IPL, we only get together for a week, 2 weeks, maybe at max 3 weeks. So the time for discussion is very short. But when they are away and they are practicing their individual sessions, they can always send the data, and then obviously we can discuss over the phone, through cloud or something like that. And then we can discuss that how's the bat swing is coming on, the power of his downswing is coming. So then we can discuss in depth that where he needs to work in his future sessions. So I think it's a very good tool to discuss even while you're not there present at the moment.